In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple photos on TikTok. Now, this is actually very simple. What we are going to do is just simply tap this plus sign right here. And after tapping on it, you should be able to see here photo as an option. Go ahead and choose that one. And then you can go ahead and click this one in order for you to open your gallery. And then from here, you can just go ahead and look for the photos that you want to upload. Say, for example, I'm just going to go ahead and select, say, for example, about this, say, 10 photos here, just like so. And then what I'm going to do is just tap the next button right here, and there you go. So you have here all of the photos that I have selected. And say, for example, you want to add the music, you can definitely go ahead and click this one right here and choose the music that you want to use for this one. Now, if you don't want it, you can just go ahead and tap the X button in there, and then there are different settings here, so I want you to go ahead and try to explore all of them. Once you're satisfied, you can just go ahead and click the post button just like so, and then go ahead and add the necessary settings here again, and then tap the post button once again. I'm going to go ahead and click post video. And there you go, everybody. And that is how you are going to get this done. I hope this video helps you out.